because the market condition is changing over time. You can't just use what you understand from the previous, from the past 10 years, 20 years to apply on today's market condition.
Hi, I'm Philip Teo, your host for Online Trading Summit, and I'm excited to introduce to you Jian Swang, our presenter for this session. Jian Swang is currently an elite popular investor on the eToro trading platform, managing $4.5 million of funds for more than 3,500 copiers. With more than 6 years of investing and trading experience, Jian Swang has generated an average of 48% per annum returns for his copiers over the past 2 years that he has been on the eToro platform.
Before even talking about the stocks or the companies, I would like to emphasize that it is important to everyone to have some risk management strategies, especially these 4 pillars of management strategies. The first one is that emotion management. The worst scenario is that when you can't manage your emotion, you would have the herd mentality. You try to follow whatever people say, and you just follow their tips, and you don't do your analysis on your own. And when things are bearish, you start to get fearful, and without analyzing the company, that's when you will not have your investment decision done nicely.
What would be like 1 or 2 of the most important things that you would suggest to a new investor to get started on the right footing so that he doesn't have to make all the mistakes that you made in the past?
So I would say that mindset is the very first thing that we have to understand. Investing, it's for the long run, it's for the long game. We have to look at the investment. We have to look at investment as something that we want to make returns in the long term, and not something that I would like to, something that we want to make profit today or tomorrow. So it's a long game, so we have to look at the long term. So this investing mentality is definitely the first thing that we have to know, especially we are all newbies or even just small retail investors that we do not have the very detailed information about the company.